I'm Guido Pippa. Welcome to the Accudraft Training Center. We've got a pretty good setup here. We've got a Accudraft Titan to my left, and we're showing you today with the Focus control panel. Focus control panel is our newest control panel that is Wi-Fi enabled. It's got a lot of cool features that'll let you actually see what's going on per job, how much cost, energy cost, gas, electric. It'll actually let us log in and see your machine from anywhere in the world. We'll be able to come and see if anything was going wrong. We can actually make it operate from anywhere in the world. Focus is a 15-inch color touchscreen, Windows-based PC. And this is the front of the Accudraft Titan. I don't know if you can see it all from here. But what's important to know is the way we build our doors is probably one of the best features of an Accudraft Paint Booth. We've got a lot of tube steel all around these door frames. Everything is welded and powder-coated tube steel, including inside the doors. The interior of the door is actual tube steel frame wrapped in galvanized sheet metal with a white vinyl PVC coating on the interior and a blue or whatever color of your choice on the exterior. The reason we use vinyl is that we do a lot of indoor and outdoor setups, and the vinyl is very, very good for outdoor weather resistance. Turn some lights on, hold on. So, this is the inside of the Accudraft Titan. The inside of the cabin is very similar to the Accudraft Italia and the SS. In that respect, they're very much the same 4-foot vertical light fixtures and a full row of gables on either side. You got the parts hanger in the back and the accelerators in the corners, which is our air movers. If you want to do high-speed waterborne curing, you're going to add air movers to any of our booths. What you see here is an actuated ramp. This ramp is built internal to the spray booth because of a space constraint. If you have a tight shop, there's no problem. You want to do a downdraft and you have a tight shop, you can put it up on a basement, which is a raised downdraft, and if the ramp is a problem, you can save those 7 feet of space in front of the spray booth, and we can actually build it into the body of the spray booth. Now you might say that you might not want to paint the car on an angle, and that's why it's an actuated ramp. Once you get the car into the booth, you'll be able to lift this up and level the car out. We've got a fully graded floor here, which is the best way to contain dust. Underneath the filters that you see here, you've got an even flow balancing vane system where you can actually manually open each vane that's inside. I don't know if you can see that through there, but each of these is openable or closable to your liking. We recommend opening it in the center underneath the vehicle, a little bit on the sides, and not so much on the ends. But what's important is the entire footprint is breathing and negatively pressurizing. So whatever dust you create in here, it could come from anywhere, from you, from the hose, from anything that you're doing. It'll fall and get trapped into the filters and stay there. So this is the cleanest environment you can get as a fully graded floor. We got stamped diamond plate steps. If you need hand railings, we can include hand railings. Now this is the engine of the spray booth. This is where all the power comes from. This is the KD 560 630R. This is a reverse blade turbine fan setup with 15 horsepower belt drive motors. Those motors are NEMA premium efficiency motors. They give you the best energy efficiency of any motor out there. They're both running on VFDs. VFDs keep them from amping over what they're actually rated for, and it'll save you energy every day of the week. So this is the single point of connection option on an Accudraft Titan. So what that does for you is it gives you everything pre-wired so that when you go to install, everything becomes easier. Everything is already pre-done at the factory level. VFDs are pre-programmed. Everything's wired. These two units that you see here are the 15 horsepower VFDs that are running both motors on the air makeup unit. Those are the ones that are actually doing the most of the energy savings for you. They'll keep it from overamping. They actually give you another capability, which is auto pressure. Auto pressure means that the control panel is monitoring the pressure inside the spray booth, and the VFDs are reacting to that pressure. If the pressure needs to go up or come down, excuse me, the control panel actually controls the speed of the fan via the VFD. The other option that it gives you is standby mode. Standby mode is the control panel monitoring if there's actually spraying going on inside the spray booth. If the control panel sees that you're using the spray gun at that moment, it's going to kick these up to high power and you're going to hear the whole unit come up to full blast. After you stop spraying, a countdown occurs. When that countdown expires, then the unit will actually slow down and you'll hear the whole unit actually come to about an idle state, and it'll stay there until you resume spraying. So what that does is it's always watching for activity in the spray booth, and whenever you're not actually spraying in there, you're saving energy because this will drop down and just wait for you to come back and start working. Instead of the old way where the booth was on full blast all the time, this can save you thousands over a year. Okay. You can find us at AccudraftPaintBooth.com, and you can find more on the Accudraft Titan at JMCAutoEquipment.com.